Hello guys, welcome back to Sam Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to take a look at BTC on weekly basis. We're going to talk about it on a 2-day basis and all that good stuff, right? And basically try to figure out like which way we're going to go over the next few weeks and so on, right? So if you're new to our content, don't forget to hit the likes. Don't forget to join my public Telegram group, link in the description. You can also join my premium group on Discord. The link is also in the description for the alt season and all that good stuff, guys. So now let's dive into the analysis regarding BTC on a weekly basis. So first thing first, right? We just hit the weekly 211 EMA. We know the weekly 211 EMA is very, very important, right? When we in a bull market, right? As you can see right here, after we dump hard right here, what we seen was like we bounced off the weekly 21 EMA, created a 4 weeks bull flag, right? And bang, you could have called it like a bear flag, but depending which way you're looking at it, right? It was a bull flag if the support was like 10k. So bang, we pushed it upside up to 11.5, and after that we never looked back. Okay, so now we got another basically beautiful support right here. As we said, if you've been watching my recent analysis, I said anything basically below 50k, it is going to be a steal. Okay, we might not be seeing BTC below 50k that long, okay, because we're in a bull market, and if we're expecting like 150 150k 200k BTC before end of the year, it is nearly impossible to start trading below 50k too long. Okay, weekly 21 at 47, so anything below 50k, guys, anything below 50k right now could potentially be a steal, right? So what we're looking at right now, we got what we've been looking for, 48 to 50k support. In case we drop down here, it is going to be by the dip type of a structure right here. Now we just have to flip on our 2-day basis, right? Our 2-day candle, it is very, very important, guys. As I said, even though the weekly is very important, you might be buying at the weekly, but you might not be getting any confirmation. So we're just gonna buy, let's say I'm gonna buy at the weekly 21, just about 50k. Can it drop below? Yes, right? But the thing is, to get a reversal confirmation, we're gonna need our 2-day MACD right here, guys, to flip bullish. We said it when the MACD was right here, back in April 17th. That's when we got the big dump, right? It fell to cross bullish. What happened? We dump right down. Okay, once again right here it failed to cross bullish, right? What happened? Right there we just dump. Okay, so if we really take a look at it right now, it means like we just have to be patient, right? And see on the daily time frame, right? If we take a look at the daily right here, okay, the daily MACD just crossed bearish, but doesn't mean really we are bearish. No, it doesn't mean like market is bearish, right? Because we could still look at it as a bullish divergence right here. Okay, it means, okay, we created a lower low right here, but our MACD, it is still pretty strong. Okay, but the dangerous part about the divergence is if MACD is to retest the double bottom right here, it could be very nasty. Okay, BTC could create another wedge pattern. Okay, if we're gonna get another low right here, or even retest the low right here on our MACD, it means like we're gonna we're most likely going to be dropping lower. Something to just keep in mind. So we're gonna be ready for anything. Even though we're pretty bullish, we're gonna be ready for anything. Okay, but as of now, let's just assume like the weekly 21 going to be supporting the price right here. Okay, just about like 47. We just got a nice bounce back to like a nearly 51. Okay, nearly 51, right? So now let's go ahead and take a look at BTC on the lower degree. On a 6-hour basis, we're not looking great on a 6-hour basis neither, right? So it means like we got a long way to go over the next like a few hours, few days, and so on. Why we got a long way? Okay, it only means like we're gonna need our 6-hour MACD again to flip bullish. Okay, it is right now negative, so we could either get some sideways correction right here before we flip bullish, or we could be looking for our 1 hour time frame. Okay, so if you know where we like our 1 hour time frame, because our 1 hour time frame right here, it is a, we got our 1 hour 21 EMA just about like a 53. So any push back up to 53 could basically give us another drop down. So once we drop back down to like a 46, 47 over the next like a few hours and so on, or even few days, we gonna basically need a potential divergence right here in order to confirm the reversal to the upside. So market could be trending down over the next like a few hours. Okay, something to basically keep in mind. I wouldn't be extremely bullish even if we pump above like a 53. We still got another chance to basically retest the bottom right there to basically get the bullish divergence on our MACD on an hourly basis, right? One of the reasons why I'm still bullish on BTC is like, if you take a look at Ethereum is still looking pretty strong. Okay, right here we're still above our 8 hour 21. Okay, if you take a look at it on the 6 hour, we broke it, but we basically pumping back up. On the daily time frame, Ethereum, it is still pretty strong above the daily 21 EMA, and at the same time, guys, our MACD, it is still positive. Okay, we're still getting a positive MACD, something to basically keep in mind, right? Our range for Ethereum was like 38.5 up to 4,000 area. To let's take a look at it. So 38.5, right? 41.50 was our rejection level, right? We said it, we're going to be taking profits just by 38.5 up to 41.50, and if we push to the upside, we're going to be looking for another resistance up to 46.43, and after that we're going to be looking for the stronger resistance. This resistance, it is going to be our basically 0.786 extension on the macro scale. Okay, so Ethereum, it is still looking pretty strong. Any dips, okay, all the way down to a 33.45 or even like 3085 range, if it wicks down, it is going to be a nice level to be reaccumulating for the next leg up. Okay, if we pump higher without retesting the lows, we could still pump up to 5833 and still retest down the 38. So either way you look at it, either going to be pulling back at some point. So most likely people are going to be taking profits up to basically 6K, okay, give or take, right? So that's what I wanted to cover for today. So if you enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit the likes. Don't forget to join our public Telegram group, link in the description. If you're looking to join Send Crypto Premium, you can also basically send me a message so you can basically access my premium. Alt season. Okay, alt season, it is still here, as we just hit our nearly 100K Wi-Fi target. We're looking for the Wi-Fi 2 target up to basically some crazy prices and all that good stuff. Ethereum, it is still pretty bullish. You name it. DOT, it is still pretty bullish. Link, it is still pretty bullish. EOS, we just hit our macro, one of our macro target, and we still got some macro targets, other macro targets for EOS. So EOS, it is still a good hold going into the summer and all that good stuff. Don't forget about Neo, it is still a pretty strong alt. Could be headed all the way up to basically 250 and so on. So we're still looking pretty juicy, guys. I think like once we get through this short-term sideways correction from BTC, alt could be pumping hard, okay, going into the summer and all that good stuff, right? All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching.